So we're going to talk about how to partner with social creators with affiliate marketing and how to make money. And this is great if you're really good at making videos, but you suck at making email landing pages and domains, or vice versa. You're really good with landing pages and emails, but you really don't either don't want to make videos or you're not good at it or whatever the case. So this is a great way to partner with someone, and that everyone brings in their skills to the pie and you split the profits 50-50. And it's really simple to do. And this is how I did it with Yasmin. This is a perfect example. She's a follower I have on TikTok, and she follows me, and I noticed her. And all I did was I went and I commented on her video. I said, hey, look, I noticed you have 4,000 followers. You could put a link in your bio. She didn't have a link in her bio. There was nothing there, and you could monetize your channel. And there's a product that your audience might be interested in. Would you like to do it? And she says, yeah, sure. And in fact, we went on to talk about where she would like to create a course to help domestic violence survivor, narcissist abuse survivors, where she would like to make a course and sell that down the road. So that's down the road. But in the meantime, until we get that course made, we're going to sell a product that could help women with self-esteem and dating issues and things like that. So that's where this product comes in. So I found a product on ClickBank. It's clickbank.com if you've never heard of it. Okay. And you just go and sign up and make an account. It looks like this. Okay. So once you have an account, you can log in and you can look through their marketplace. And I found a product that would fit pretty well, and it's right here. Okay. Let's click on it and take a look. So we kind of decided this would be a good product. We looked at our analytics on our channel, and 70% of our channel is women. So, and this just helps with like how to be irresistible to men and have them think about you all the time, things like that. And then there's like a $47 product. So if anyone bought this, then she gets 80%, and then we'd split the difference. Okay. And I would be $20 each. And then there's I think an upsell on this as well. Okay. So that's basically how it works. That's how simple affiliate marketing is. And you can do this for any niche, any product, crypto, affiliate marketing, money, finance, whatever you're in, gaming, anything you could think of, Amazon products. And you can do this with any social creator. So for example, if what I'm doing is I'm going to do the emails and landing page side of it. And Yasmin's going to continue to work on the videos. Okay. So it'll be 50-50. And as she starts to make her more and more videos, we can put a course together, and I will put the course together for her with software. I use software called Builderall. And eventually what we're going to do is, instead of sending people to this sales page, I'm going to add an extra step, and I'm going to do the work for her. I'm going to put a landing page right there where people, if they click that link, they go to a landing page, they enter in their email, and we collect their email. And if you've never seen a landing page, I'm sure you've seen one in your day, but just to give you an example of what I'm talking about, let's go to say over here. Here's my landing page for so this is just a typical landing page I have on one of my products. And then if someone wants this product, they would click here, they'd get the free thing I'm giving away, and they enter in their name and email. You've seen that before. So I would make the same thing for Yasmin, but it would be around dating. So people would click that link, and then they would get a free dating product that we'd give away. And then we'd have their email list, and then I would email them an email every day for the next 10 days. And then, so again, I could follow up on this product that we're selling. So yeah, will people buy directly from the sales page? Yes, but more people will buy with an email follow-up. So that's where I help Yasmin, is with the email stuff. She doesn't really know anything technical, but sure, she doesn't have time to set, or whatever the case. So she wanted me to do that. So I will set up the emails for her and all that stuff, and she just keeps making the video. So it's a good deal, right? Or vice versa. Let's say that you're really good at the email stuff, but you're terrible at the videos. You don't want to be on the videos. You could approach someone who has a big channel and say, hey, I see that you don't have a link in your channel. Why not? Like I saw a guy the other day, he had like 30,000 people on his thing, but he had no product. He wasn't selling a product. So I said, hey, I'll set you up with a landing page and let's split the profits. And yeah, so that's the gist of it. And then if you could do this for any niche. Now, if you want to, the next step down the road is Yasmin talked about building a course. So as she makes her videos for her course, I will just take those videos and I'll pop them into a builder like this. So you can see this is a course builder on affiliate marketing. So instead of showing Chad's face here, it would be like a dating course, and there would be learning modules. And I would just, as Yasmin makes her dating videos, I will just put them in here and we'll build a course and then we'll sell it like a product. And that's how partnerships work with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, just comment below. If you'd like to get the email software that I use for all my emails and landing page, you can get that right below the link in this video. I have a landing page where you can get a free version of Builderall. It's a 14-day course, and it lets you build landing pages, emails. It lets you do all that stuff. Go ahead and download that. You can try it. I also have a 5-day free course. If you go to robgordy.com, you can try my 5-day free course, and it teaches you affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to do this and you want to do the landing page stuff, then you can take my 5-day course. You can learn it. You can learn how to do the landing page. And then you can go to social creators and you can get other people to do the videos for you. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And this was the 3rd time making this video today. So hopefully the mic worked. And I'll see you next Sunday, guys. Talk to you later.